So before we actually start building our Shopify store, what I want you to do is I want you to create your new email account. Now, it is always, better to have one email account for your business and one email account for your private life. I always recommend using Gmail or Outlook or, for instance, Yahoo or something like that. So just create your new email account. I think that makes sense, except if you want to have business and your private emails in one account. So anyway, for instance, Gmail account is great. Just click up here on create an account and you will be able to set up your email account. Now, but what I want to do with you is I want to find out which domain we should pick. And before we do that, I would like to present you one application called Honeychrome extension. Honeychrome extension is an extension that helps you to find the best coupons, for instance, on a website. So this extension right here gives you all the coupons that are available on that website. So for instance, you can save on AliExpress, on Amazon, on GoDaddy, on all of these platforms. You just add that to your Chrome browser and then it will be up here. So basically up here, there will be this little button. So what I want you to do is first of all, of course, create your own email account. Then afterwards, add this to your Chrome browser as well, this application, Honeychrome extension. And then afterwards, please go to the platform GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy.com, which is basically a domain hoster where you can purchase domains. And we now want to find a domain that matches what we want to sell. And now the niche that I'll be focusing on are pug pillows. So only the dog breed pug. And I'm going to sell these kind of pillows. So that you can purchase them, for instance, for like $2.99 or something like that, $3. Often the shipping is also not super expensive and you can definitely sell them for, let's say, $9.99, $12.99 or something like that. So I want to focus with you, or actually I will build my store in the field of pug pillows. And now I want to go to GoDaddy and I want to find a domain. So what I'm going to do is I type in here pug pillow. So let's look for pug pillow. And of course, I've done that before. I know what's going to happen. There is no pugpillow.com, or if there is, it's super expensive right here. So we don't want to take this one. We could go, for instance, with pugpillow.de, pugpillow.org, pugpillow.co. I think I'm going to go with a super cheap one, this one down here, pugpillow.info. Because it is extremely cheap. It only costs 99 cents right now the first year. Then afterwards you have to pay $19.99. I always like to start with a very cheap one. And to be honest, it doesn't really make any difference whether you take pugpillow.xyz or pugpillow.biz, pugpillow.net or something like that. It's not really about the actual, let's say, ending of the domain. It's more like about this right here. So we want to basically have a domain where it says what we want to sell. So for instance, if you want to rank high in the field of pug pillow, then definitely go with a name, or definitely go with something like that sounds like pug pillow, or that actually says pug pillow. So for instance, when I type into Google pug pillow, let's actually do that right now and let's see what we can find. Probably most of the stores that we can find are definitely they're actually stores that are built like we did. So for instance, like a Shopify store. So right now you can see, all right, this is Etsy. Of course, Etsy ranks extremely high. Amazon, eBay, and then Redbubble. Let's see if Redbubble is also a Shopify store or some kind of store that is, well, it could be. It could perhaps be something like that. And as you can see, they're selling them right here for 17 euros per pillow. And I bet you anything they purchase those also on AliExpress or something like that. So they have a profit margin of, let's say, like 500% or something like that. If you take into account how much money they spend for shipping, let's say they have a profit margin of like 300% or something like that. So let's actually go back and let's have a look at the other platforms right here. As you can see, there's not much going on. There really is not much going on. There are some platforms who are offering pug pillows, but here we already got on the second page AliExpress. And, you cannot really see too many stores that actually only sell pug pillows. So if you have a domain like I will have in just a second, that says like puck pillow or something like that, it is quite likely, if you do a proper SEO, that you will rank extremely high. So let's actually go back to the platform, GoDaddy.com, and what we want to do is we want to purchase this one right here, puckpillow.info. So we click on Add to Cart, and because now I got that Chrome extension Honey, I can click up here, and I already activated 1 to 10% rewards. So basically, when I now go and pay for my domain, I will actually save a lot of money. So now let's actually continue to cart. Click up here, continue to cart, and now we can pay for that product. So right now it says right here, okay, we've added privacy. Here's why. Okay, no thanks. We don't want any privacy. It says, when you register a domain, regulations require your name, address, email, and phone number to be published in a public directory. Privacy hides your information, protecting against spam, scams, and more. To be honest, this is just, in my mind, a way for them to make money. I don't do it. I don't want any privacy. I don't care whether my name is somewhere. So just click on no thanks. For instance, if you're selling like sex toys or something like that, or something that is perhaps not really representative for your brand, then you can do this. But we are selling puck pillows, and I mean, come on, what's cuter than that? So then down here includes a GoCentral website, free for a month. So basically, GoCentral website is GoDaddy's way to, let you build websites with GoDaddy. It's like a website builder. And then down here, create an email address that matches your domain. We don't really need that. So we just click on continue with these options. So we really only pay like 99 cents for the product, so for the domain. And now, right now, we are basically, okay, we are having a subtotal of 2098, but actually let's do that for only 1 year, because they want to sell us now the domain for 2 years, but we only want to sell it for only want to buy it for 1 year. So we click up here on 1 year, then protect your privacy is off, so we don't pay anything for that. Here, coupons were found. That's amazing. Coupon rate from 1 to 10%. So let's actually apply these coupons and let's see if we can save some money. So this will now take a couple of seconds, and then we can see whether we can actually save money on these 99 cents. So really, you almost pay nothing then later on. Okay, what does it say? Okay, this store doesn't have any working codes, but Honey has you covered with up to 10% back of the purchase. Okay, let's continue to checkout. And now we have a promo code that actually takes 40 cents off. So now we want to complete our purchase by registering, and then we have our website. So please do the same thing. Go to GoDaddy.com, and then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy website with your Shopify store. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.